A few weeks back, nakilala natin si Sir James at ipinakita niya sa atin ang kanyang intricate and revolutionary method ng paggawa ng craft beer.
I started lang joining bazaars lang, gano'n. Tapos eventually, by chance, napunta ako ng DOST. May nakita akong program nila, parang, pwede ba ako dito? So I applied, long story short, nakuha nila. Pumasa ako. So, from my homebrew setup na 5,000 pesos lang, they gave me 3 million para itayo yung brewery. Ayun, so pinakita ko sa nila kung paano ko ginagawa, yung from scratch, ayun, so they heavily supported me.
Naisip kong bigyang pugay ang kanyang scientific achievement sa pamamagitan ng isang masarap na recipe kung saan bida ang kanyang produkto.
Kadalasan, syempre, kapag sinabi nating serbesa, as is na yan. Pero alam nyo ba na may isang putahe na pwedeng yung palabasin yung mga flavors na meron yung ating beer, lalong-lalo na pag locally made. Gagamitin natin yung isa sa mga flavors na ginagawa nilang binibenta nila sa mga consigners nila, kung saan, sabi ni Sir James, ito na daw yung pinakamalapit yung flavor doon sa na-enjoy natin at kilala nating local beers. So ito, gawa tayo, beer soup. So medyo painitan lang natin yung pan and unahin ko lang yung pinaka-garnish natin. So gagawa lang tayo ng crouton or parang toasted bread. So ready na yung ating pinaka-garnish, which is yung ating croutons na tinatawag or yung parang toasted bread. Using the same pan, gigisa lang natin yung ating mirepoix, which is basically onions, carrots, and celery. Now, habang ginigisa natin yung ating onions, carrots, at celery, i-sprinkle lang din natin siya nung siguro mga about 2 tablespoons ng all-purpose flour. So once na bumango na yung ating iginigisa, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating liquid component. Unahin natin yung ating beer. Ito yung sa akin, pero may niready akong pangluto. Ito yung pang chef, ito yung panluto. Then, para in a way, i-dilute lang natin din yung very strong bitter flavor ng beer. Lalagyan lang din natin siya ng konting stock. And then we'll just bring this to boil. So after natin malagay yung stock, we're just going to reduce this hanggang makuha natin yung gusto nating consistency. Bago totally mag-reduce yung ating pinaka-soup, lagay na natin yung ating cream, generous amount of cream. And then yung ating cheese. And then season natin ng salt. And pepper. Let this boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Pwede tayo mag-serve. So para siyang kwan talaga, para siyang chowder.
I still get the hop flavor,
Yun.
the bitterness.
Exactly.
Because at the same time, there's still that aroma of the beer, the malt. It still came through.
Yun yung, I think, especially for someone like me na using your product. Kasi I could easily just kill off yung intricacies ng flavors na yun by just boiling it or adding other flavorings na hindi mo na siya malalaman nga lang na beer talaga yung ginamit. Ito kasi, unang sip mo pa lang, unang higop mo pa lang, alam mo na beer talaga yung pinaka-main ingredient dun sa soup.
The first flavor that came through, yun nga yung bitterness ng hops. It's not really bitter. I also get yung malty flavor ng beer. Lumabas pa rin siya.
Curious lang ako, Sir James. Bakit mas mahal ang craft beer, ang artisanal beer sa mass-produced?
Okay. So first of all, with our brewery, the name of the brewery is Santiago Brewery and Malt House. So we also make our own malts. We're the only malt house in Southeast Asia. So from the grains itself, gagawin namin siya. It takes us around 1 or 2 weeks just for the malt itself bago pa kami mag-brew.
Okay.
Ayun. So literally from start to finish namin ginagawa yung beer.
I think one of the important tasks ng chef when handling artisanal products na you really have to preserve the identity.
Right.
Tsaka yung true character niya. I mean, yeah, some might find it bitter for those na hindi, pag sinerve sa'yo ito nang hindi mo alam na beer soup siya, they would find it bitter. Pero once you get to explain yung purpose, bakit ganyan yung flavor profile niya, they would have a deeper understanding and appreciation doon sa ginagawa mo. And of course, sa ginagawa ninyo. Kasi craft beer is an artisanal craft.
Right.
Artisanal arts, actually, di ba?